Many times we pronounce words wrongly, and this is because we're not familiar with the right pronunciation and the consonants involved in that word. Every problem has a solution. Yes, welcome to today's class where we call it a solution class. We will learn more about consonants. Let's take a lesson. Now, we have the voiced bilabial plosive B. Spelling variants and words example are baby, bank, break, barber, lab, embark, rubber, Bible. P is a voiceless bilabial plosive, as in pain, people, lip, hiccup. F is a voiceless too. It is a fricative, as in form, frog, proof, cliff, stuff, sniff, huff. Rough, tough, ph, physics, physical, and Philip. We have g as a voiced velar plosive, as in goat, bag, bag, baggage, baggy, struggle, ghost, gust. Voiceless glottal fricative, as in hope, horse, perhaps, whole, holy. That's all we can take for today. Keep practicing with your consonant sounds. Bye.